I'm Rick Axon, Production Manager of Arrow Precision Limited. My role is purchasing the raw materials and process control. I'm here to explain how Arrow Precision produces its quality paintballs. The temperature and humidity levels of the factory are controlled by this machinery, which needs to be checked every day. Gelatin is the main material used to make the shell of a paintball. It arises as dry granules, which are vacuumed into the melter. Inside the melter, the shell ingredients are mixed in a vacuum to remove any air bubbles. The viscosity is tested before the gelatin is ready to use. A powerful mixer is used on the melted gelatin. When the gel is dyed, it stops air bubbles which could cause the shell to become brittle. Food and cosmetic grade dyes are used to give the shell colour. Dyes can make a plain colour or a special pearl finish. The temperature of the fill is checked before it is connected to the machine. Paintballs are made by encapsulating the fill material between two gelatin ribbons. The melted gel is spread over the casting drums to create the ribbon. Two tone coloured paintballs are made by using different coloured gels on either side of the machine. The machine uses a precision pump to inject exactly the right amount of fill between the two ribbons as they pass through the forming dyes. The size and roundness of the paintballs are controlled by the ribbon thickness, tension and the speed of the machine. When the paintballs drop out of the machine, they are still too soft to be used and aren't round yet. The drying process is what makes the paintballs round and the shells crisp. The first stage of the drying process is the tumble dryer. Once the balls have passed through the dryer, the balls are spread onto trays in preparation for the drying tool, which completes the drying process. Once dry, every batch of paintballs is tested for hardness, size and shape in order to grade it. Once graded, the paintballs are hand sorted to remove any balls that don't meet our standards. Finally, the paintballs are bagged and boxed and packed onto pallets. The pallets are stored in our temperature controlled warehouse.
Why did you choose Sterling Paintballs for your event? Right, well for this event we had to use clear paintballs because the area that we were using isn't a paintball site and you know, it's in a national park as well, so they didn't want the place looking like a fun factory afterwards. In terms of clear paintballs, we've used Sterling before, we've worked with them closely for the last 12 months or so developing the clear paintball, and the one we've got now is their Claymore grade, and it just seems to work really, really well. We're a bit worried about the conditions because they were so hot, but it's been absolutely fantastic to be honest with you. The paint's been absolutely spot on, and all the players actually have mentioned how good it's been, so I'm pretty pleased with that.